Okay, so we're in another space here and I'm going to create a new room survey for a new room. Instead of clicking to fill in all these fields, I'm going to use our AI voice fill to just naturally describe what I'm seeing in the room. The floor is tile and has quite a bit of ornamental work in it. The walls are masonry. There isn't any base in the room because the walls are masonry. The walls are in good shape, as is the floor. The ceiling is masonry, but note that the ceiling has quite a bit of integrated artwork. The lighting in this room is pendant lighting, and note there are quite a few clear story windows in this room. All of them appear to be in good condition. Looks like they have a wood frame with opaque glass. There are several wood benches that are placed in the room, as well as other sculptures and art pieces. There are several wall sconces in this room as well. In general, the room is in really good condition. All the materials are in good condition. So you can see once I'm done, layer summarizes all the changes that it made to this room. You can see it has documented all these details in these fields for me. I'm also going to grab some overall photos of the room by clicking on the plus button here. And our new camera for iOS devices allows you to change the zoom, and it also allows you to narrate your photos as you're going. So I can click on this narration button and I can begin narrating what I'm seeing as I'm walking through the building. Example of sculptures placed in the room, doors to the exterior, flooring sample, overall shot of the ceiling with integrated artwork, example of the clear story windows. So once you can see I captured 5 photos here, I can click on any of these photos and it will show you that photo. And I can use markup tools now to add markups to those individual photos. Once I'm done with all of this, I can hit the checkbox and that will upload all those photos to this room survey along with the captions that I narrated.